Hello everyone. In this video we will be going through the TSS GRIP task 1 for beginners, which is prediction using supervised ML, linear regression basically. And it's a student score prediction task using linear regression. Its purpose is to predict the score using linear regression, and method is obviously linear regression. So let's start. So first of all, we will be importing the data. We'll be importing pandas, and we'll be just simply read the CSV file, which is available in this link, which will be available in this. Okay. So after that, we are just checking the data set. We can see there are two columns, which is one is hours and one is scores. So basically our feature column is hours and our label column is scores, and there are total 24 rows. uh, then we are moving ahead with data cleaning and pre-processing. So first of all, we are checking the null values. So we can see there is no null values, so we can just move ahead. So then we are just simply visualizing the data, how the data looks like actually, because in linear regression we need some sort of linearity in between the data set. So we're just checking that. We're just doing this with matplotlib and seaborn, and where x column is has hours and y column has scores. So we can see there is a clear image, some sort of linearity. So now we can move ahead for the linear regression training, model training. Okay. So we're just importing linear regression models from scikit-learn library, and then we are importing the strain test split. Then we are importing matrices. Okay. So now we are splitting the data. I just put the test size 0.2, which is 20%, and standard state is 0. So we're just building the model now, linear regression model, and fitting the x-train and y-train dataset, which we just created here by splitting the data. Now we are moving ahead for the prediction. So I'm just using a variable to store the prediction score. So here model.predict, which will be predicting my score for x test values. X test we just created here, you can see. So it's just for the checking purpose and the score checking purpose, how my model accuracy is, we can check there. So storing the score in score variable and just printing this. So we can see there is some 94% accuracy, you can see. Okay. So it's a good model, we can say. So now we can see uh, the accuracy of models. So there is mean absolute error, which is 4.18, mean squared error, which is 21.59, and then the root mean squared error, which is 4.64. Now I'm just visualizing the model. Okay. So you can see I just in the x level there is hours, in the y level there is scores. So data hours in x column and data scores is in y column. We're just plotting that. So you can see there is a clear line here. Okay. So now the question which is asked here: what will be the predicted score if a student studies for 9.25 hours a day? So we will just need to predict that. So model.predict. Okay. Then I'm passing the x data, which is 9.25 hours. Okay. Then I'm just storing the output in a variable called prediction, and simply just printing that prediction, which is 93.69. So the score of the student could be 93.69% if the student studies for 9.25 hours a day. Then I'm just simply visualizing the prediction score. Okay, so we can see this is our model. Okay, which is dividing our dataset, and this is our predicted score. Okay, that the student, if studies for 9.25 hours, what could be his or her score, predicted score. So this prediction score is here, puts here. Okay, so this was all about the video. This was all about the JRAP task. First, for beginners, I will be just sharing the GitHub link in my description. Thank you.